Hey y'all, I'm Kristen with Tulsa Regional STEM Alliance, and I'm here at the Gathering Place because we are celebrating STEM Timber all through the month of September to kind of demonstrate to the community that STEM truly is everywhere. It's all around us all the time. And so to kind of make this point, we are introducing several different STEM in a Bag kits for you and your family to enjoy all through the month of September. The one I'm here to talk about right now is about designing tessellations, which are just patterns out in the world. And with the STEM in a Bag kit, which you can get here at the Gathering Place from the information desk at the Williams Lodge, with this STEM in a Bag kit, you have an opportunity to take it home with you and design your own tessellations if you would like, or even better, you can use this kit right here at the Gathering Place. And we encourage you to go out and find all the different patterns in the park, including this tessellation that's right behind me, which you can find here at the Boathouse at the Gathering Place. So we want you to come by, pick up one of these STEM in a Bag kits, like we mentioned, anytime through the month of September, and help us celebrate STEM timber. Thanks.